I'm going to show you the best Hostinger coupon codes and promo. Now you can see all you have to do is that you just need to click the link on the description down below or on the pinned comment down below. Now when you click on that link, you will get into this page right here. Now you can see you'll get over 70% off if you click on the link down below, either on the description or on the pinned comments. You'll get 70% off of all of the premium plan here. So you can get premium, business, cloud startup, or cloud professional. So it went from $11 to $2. It went from $13 to $3. It went from $27 to only $7. And it went from $47 to only $15. So again, if you want to use it, just tap on use coupon like this. And all you have to do if you want to claim this coupon is that you just have to click the link on the description down below or on the pinned comment down below. And you can start enjoying the benefit of this coupon on Hostinger. You can see this is how much you'll save. This is how much you're actually going to be billed, and the discount will be over $400. And you can also get a discount from coupons page 5%, and you'll get an additional $9 off. So it'll be just as easy as that.